everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shirred summer top. This shirt should be pretty easy to make, and I think it'll be very useful as in summer, like I could wear it with shorts, whereas in the colder months, I could probably wear jeans and like a cardigan. So I think it's going to be very versatile and helpful to my wardrobe. So let's get started. Cut out two rectangles that are 2 times your bust length by the length from above the bust to the desired end length of a shirt. Fold both of the longer sides in by a 1/4 inch, then in by another 1/4 inch to create a hem. With a water erasable pen or tailor's chalk, mark the lines to where you would want shirring to go. Find the center of your fabric and then go down by the length from the top of the shirt to the underarm. Then go across by the width of the underarm. On the other 2 sides, only go by half the width of the underarm. The shirt should be marked like this. Take the shirt and fold it right sides together. Then sew along the side seam, making sure not to sew the armhole closed. Sew a row of stitching slightly below the line you marked for the underarm. Then cut out the underarm. Attach the bias tape to around the arms on both sides. Cut out 4 pieces of fabric that are 2 inches by 11 inches. Then sew the 2 lines on the longer edges as shown here. Turn the pieces of fabric inside out to create your straps. Then attach the straps to the back of the shirt. After you attach the back straps, mark where you would like the front straps to be on the shirt, so that way they fit you, because 11 inches was too long for me. Sew the front straps in place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you liked it. Bye.